Hello, in this video I will show you how to get 4,000 hours and 1,000 subscribers. There are many ways to get 1,000 subscribers, but in this video I will show you the best. So let's get started. In this video I will show you 3 applications to get 1,000 subscribers in a couple of days. The first application is Sub for Sub. The Sub for Sub application. I use it to get my first 1,000 subscribers in just a few days. In this tutorial you will learn the top ways to achieve your goals on YouTube. The first thing you need to do now, just click the view icon and watch some videos. You need to watch videos to get some points and create your campaign. You can even make it autoplay, but I recommend you to use manually. You can even change the video quality to make it run faster. After you finish watching the video, don't click the video, leave it to finish scrolling. Continue watching videos to get more points. Click on the view and like button to get double coins for your campaign. Leave the video to finish to get your coins, or you will end up getting 0 coins. Click on the campaign button. The campaign button has 3 different features to choose from. I recommend you always to choose the first one, because while choosing the first one you can get both subscribers and watch hours. If you're smart you will even get likes. You can paste your video link and click the search button. Let's take someone's video link for example. The minimum amount for the campaign is 10 coins. When you want to make 100 subscribers, you need to have 1,500 coins. But I will tell you to use this trick worked for you. Always use small amount campaigns. While choosing small amount, you can make more than 200 subscribers per day. The more you watch videos, the better the result is. Make sure you are interested in this first method. Please subscribe for more tricks. The second application is called TubeMine. With this application I use it to gain my subscribers with ease. This application has no bugs in this 2022, but last year it has a lot of bugs. The app has a lot of features to get higher coins without spending a lot of time. You can even buy coins for those that didn't want to watch videos or subscribe. But for me I just watch videos and subscribe to get higher coins and campaign. Or if you want, you can get coins by watching ads on the app. To get access, click here. You can even refer friends to get coins. If you're interested with referral coins, I will paste my link on the description. Even you can send your link to your friends and get coins or commission. This application has many features, that's why I like the application niche. Click on the video button. You can even reduce the video quality depending on your network. After you finish watching the video you will get your coins as listed on the app. After you make some points, then you will create your campaign here. With this second application you will need to choose the second one. Paste the video link and choose your video category and click add. Using this second method, you can get both watch time and subscribers. Or if you want discount, you can purchase pro vision of it. The third application is UC Channel. The application is available in Play Store. With this third method, I use it just for watch time because it doesn't work with bots. If you want, you can even use it to get subscribers. But for me, I use it to get watch time only. If you want, you can use both subscribers and watch time. If you want to make 1,000 subscribers, you need to have at least 260,000 coins. To make it easier, just use a schedule for your subscribers to get higher points. That's all for today. If you like this video, you better click that subscribe button. Thank you for watching. See you on the next video.